Once upon a time, one group of 5 friends passed in their university in a distant city. After the end of all celebrations, they decided to rent a loft in a building and live together during college. So, the big day had come and they went to their new city to try to find a place to live, but Anna couldn't show up to visit the apartments. They went to several places, but all of them were passing through their budget. When, at the end of the day, already discouraged, they finally found one loft in a condominium that they could pay for. Guys, it's our last chance. There's no loft left. Get inside. Hi, nice to meet you.
Hi.
We want to know the place and know how much it costs.
Hi, nice to meet you. I will show you around the place.
Okay, thank you. Well, we really like the loft, so we want to discuss about the price.
Well, as I like you, I'm going to do a nice price. What do you think about 500?
Wow, that's amazing. Get a contract, we have a deal.
When can we move, Mr. Thompson?
Next week it's fine, but first I need to tell you something.
Okay.
So the last time this apartment was rented was a long time ago. The owner that lived here was passionate about cooking, mainly about his kitchen, but he died 7 years ago.
This kitchen is really very nice.
After that, the loft was left to his daughter, but she didn't want to live here, so she decided to rent it. Ever so, everyone that rented this place complained about strange noise in the kitchen at night.
Oh, thank God Anna didn't came. She'd go crazy about this story.
It's not over yet. Every morning a piece of food disappeared from the kitchen.
You must be joking, right? This can't be true. Like, they are not going to mess with all food.
Well, it's fine, Mr. Thompson. We want it anyway.
Okay, thank you. I will give you the key on Monday.
Okay, thank you.
1 week later.
Thank you, Mr. Thompson.
I already made it. Let's go.
Guys, we need to talk about the story that the butler said. We're going to tell Anna or not?
Well, I don't know. I don't think so. Actually, we can put a camera in the kitchen and I'll sleep there.
Okay, that's fine.
I can stay with you.
Okay, that's good. Okay, eat. So we were talking and we are going to sleep in the kitchen for a few days because there is a very dusty room.
Yeah, today I'll sleep there with Louis, but we can take turns. Tomorrow I can sleep there with Gabi.
Okay then. So the night came and Malu set up the bed in the kitchen so she could sleep there.
Good night, girls. Good night. See you.
Good night. But so and so, as they were very tired, they ended up sleeping. But the footage kept rolling.
Oh my god, I slept too well last night.
Me too. When everyone wakes up, we can watch the video.
Okay.
Good morning, guys! I'm going to the bakery with Gabi.
Good morning.
Let's go to this room so we can see the video.
Okay, let's go.
Hi, let's watch the video.
Good morning, Marna.
You can sit here. Let's see the card.
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
A monster.
Oh my god!
Oh, stop. I think someone edited it. I didn't hear anything last night.
Oh, I don't think so. I think you should tell Anna. She's going to go crazy when she finds out.
We arrived! Come on!
We need to check.
Anna, we have a mystery for you to solve.
We didn't tell you before because we thought it was a joke, but we recorded a video and we want to show you. Look.
Oh, okay, you edited very well.
It's true, Anna. Believe in us.
Okay, I will sleep there tonight and we will check out.
So the day passed and each one of them was doing something for having fun. Again, the night came and Anna prepared herself to stay in the kitchen. After Anna ran out of the kitchen, she was immobilized. She had no reaction. After the whole scene, she just wanted to go to her room to sleep. She was really very scared.
Anna is not here!
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! She's here, Gabriela! Oh my god! Wake up, Anna! Wake up!
Anna!
Tell us! How was the night? We were worried!
Oh, guys, it's all true. I saw the monster, but he looks peaceful because he didn't even mess with me.
You say it's all true?
Yes, I think it's, but I think we just have to buy some extra food and
We can go?
yes.
Okay.
Oh, I don't believe that.
If you're saying that, I think like if everyone's agreed to,
Yes. Okay.
Okay, okay.
And so the monster remained happy and the people scared. But they all lived happily ever after. Or not.
Gravando cena de teatro em inglês na casa do Eduardo, no trabalho da escola. Eu vou voltar pra casa.
We have a mystery for you to solve.
So, I just need to...
Hello, my friends. How are you? Ei, dá um salve no telefone do Eduardo, sabe? Ah, tá saindo de pijama. Por isso, botar outra roupa, eu vou de pijama pra casa.
Gente, estamos aqui tentando fazer a última cena.
Oh my god! Você filmou aqui, né?
Ela deslizando de novo, velho. Eu faço mal. Ela...
Ah, não, não vai agora não, porque eu tenho que ir pra casa, né?
Take 49.
Tell us how often.